Welcome to Pro Energy. My name is David Schlup, and I'm the fabrication manager. I've been with the company for 15 years, and you're standing inside a 50,000 square foot climate-controlled fabrication facility. In this facility we have 5 bays, each of them equipped with overhead cranes. In the first 2 bays, which you're standing in here, we're dedicated to raw material receiving and small parts manufacturing. Behind me on the right, you'll see a 35 by 40 foot high definition plasma table, cut stainless steel and carbon steel up to 3 inches thick. On my left, you'll see a bundle cut miter saw. You can cut up to 30-inch, 135-pound wide flange I-beam. On the far left behind me, you can see a 250-ton, 12-foot wide brake press. We are now standing in our 3rd heavy fabrication bay where we manufacture turbine and generator bases. Behind me, you'll see a generator base closing completion. And on my left, you have a turbine base coming close. It's getting ready to have walls erected on it. The generator base to my right has the walls already erected on it. As we manufacture these, we manufacture them in stages from the far west and move them towards the door to the east. Once these 2 bases are completed, then we will mate them together, bolt them up, and make sure that there are no issues whenever it comes time for field erection. We try to make sure that we do that with all of the things that we manufacture so that the people downstream from us have no issues. Here in our 4th bay, we have filter house manufacturing. You can see behind me a full filter house is basically assembled on top of our fixture. A filter house is made of a filter plenum in the center, which provides filtered air to the turbine, aeroderivative turbine, and to the both packaged turbine and generator. The outside 2 modules that bolt together are coil modules which provide optional equipment such as guard filtration, inlet heating, inlet cooling, etc. They're designed to provide a multitude of optional equipment. These 3 units are bolted together while they're manufactured so we can make sure that we mitigate any risk during field erection, and we've actually pulled days out of the assembly in the field. There's a yellow fixture that these bases are sitting on that has the exact same bolt pattern that the structure will have on the unit whenever it's put together. We're now in our 5th and final bay here at Pro Energy Fabrication. In this bay we build a multitude of small products that all go to the LN6000 power block. On my right there's an auxiliary skid that holds supplemental equipment to support the turbine operations. On my left you'll see wall panels and cold weather enclosures for auxiliary skids and generator and turbine bases. To summarize this tour from beginning to end, we have gained the ability through standardization and engineering to manufacture 24 units annually. We have also been able to significantly reduce our installation times by this standardization of the product and the repetition. Thank you for your time today.